Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ivana, and if you are a makeup lover, hopefully this channel will be for you. If you do love the content that I'm providing, then please consider subscribing. And for today I'm gonna be using a new ILLAMASQUA Elemental Artistry palette, which is limited edition, and the colors are just amazing. And this palette actually came as a Christmas present from my brother, and I was so excited. Like, I have the best brother in the whole world. He knows what to buy if your sister is a makeup artist. Thank you, Rocco. It also came with this little cute bag, and I guess I can put my palette inside. Yep. And if you want to see how I achieved this eye look, then please keep on watching. So before I apply any makeup, I'm gonna start by prepping my skin using the Wundertox mask, and this is supposed to be used like 2 to 3 times a week whenever your skin needs a boost. It's supposed to purify your skin, and like I said, it is basically a cleansing detox mask. And first thing I'm gonna do is to damp my skin with a little bit of water. So as you can tell, as soon as you put your mask on, you will see this foam. Now let's just wait anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. And the feeling is so weird because you can feel this foam. It's weird, like I cannot even explain it. So now the foam slowly starts to disappear, and here it says that Wundertox releases oxygen into pores and then gently cleanses and detoxifies the skin. So now my face is clean. I washed out my face. Once the foam completely disappears, you'll know that it is time to wash it out. So the next step is using some toner and moisturizing cream. I'm using a Biobaza. I don't know how I'm supposed to say this in English. It is Croatian product. So it's Biobaza toner. And for my cream today, I'm using a Nivea soft cream. And now for my eye area, Wonderlift Anti-Wrinkle Serum is supposed to instantly wake up your eyes. Let's just see how this will work. I'm supposed to shake this, right? Woo! I think this is too much. Now I'm just gonna finish off my eyebrows, and moving on to this gorgeous ILLAMASQUA palette, which I cannot wait to use. Let's go. So I'm gonna start off with mustard shade, kind of right here. It is, in my opinion, really specific shade. Right here I have 2 blending brushes. One is going to be clean for blending out the product. And I'm moving on with this shade right here. It's such a gorgeous shade. Now our next color will be this one right here. Starting on the outer corner of my eye. And moving towards inner corner of my eye. This color right here to add some highlight. And I do love the way these blends out. And I did forget to mention that I've used NYX Primer Proof It eyeshadow primer. I think white color would be just too bright, so I'm gonna use this one. And now let's move on by using this black color, placing it on the outer corner of my eye. And for me, it's still so weird because they're all matte. I'm usually all about glitters and shiny colors, but I love this for a change. So now I'm gonna use these 2 colors to fill this inner corner of my eye. And seriously, like I said, I think for me these are shadows are one of the best in terms of the way they blend. Moving on with some black pencil. This one is from Makeup Factory. And now for the lower lash line, I again applied some primer. And the first color I'm going in is this right here. Basically all the colors I've used before, I'm gonna just use them again on my lower lash line. And now to complete this look, I'm gonna use this shimmery shade right here and just place it in the inner corner of my eye. So I will put some false lashes to finish off this eye look, and I'll be right back. And so I finished off today's look, and I did use makeup brush set from Wundertox. And if you want to see how I did my foundation, then you can check that video somewhere. I'll put the link somewhere around here. When it comes to this palette, I will definitely be using this palette again and again. The way eyeshadows blended, it's amazing. It's really easy to work with. Like, I love the way when you blend two eyeshadows, two colors together, I like the way they blend, and I like the way they blend in general. Probably my next look will be something with this gray and black color. I'm not sure yet. But again, great job ILLAMASQUA for this palette. I really do love and recommend them, especially if you're a makeup artist. Like, these are, it does have like really kind of basic colors, and this shade right here, this mustard shade, it's kind of unique in my opinion. And as always, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video again. So thank you, bye bye.